Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. To do so, first of all open your PayPal and log into your account. Now open your PayPal app and log into your account. Now you will see different sections and click on the wallet or balance section. Here you will need to link a card first of all, then you can tap on transfer money. Now you will need to select transfer to bank, choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Then you can click on confirm the transfer and that's it. Your money will be transferred to your bank. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.